I'm going to show you how to quickly create good articles with a featured image using AI. These articles will contain good information about my keyword, feature bullet and numbered lists, and properly nested headings. They can be created in bulk with this software's own keyword research tool. I also run this content through the AI content detectors to see if it holds up to their claims of undetectable AI. Let's jump into it. Click the link in the description to write an article using Byword. Byword's an advanced AI-powered platform that helps you generate high-quality SEO-optimized articles at scale. It has state-of-the-art algorithms and a range of advanced features. It has image generation, so it can automatically generate 4 AI images to accompany each article. And it has undetectable AI by using Byword's cutting-edge algorithms. Just go to the website and enter in your keyword and click generate. Then you can create a free account and generate your article. This article looks good. It has a nice picture at the beginning and it has good information. Right away, I can see that the headings are properly nested and it's ranging from H2 to H3 as it should. It looks like it has good information as far as my keyword. Here's some key factors to consider. It shows material in a nice numbered list. Here's another paragraph with a bulleted list. And then it continues with even more information that I think is good for my keyword. So I think this is a really good looking article and I think it covers the topic pretty well. So I'm gonna scroll through here a little more just so you can see the article. You can see all the headings are nested well. You see the bullet points. So now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna plug it into the AI content detector. So Scriber right away says it's 100% chance that this text is generated by AI. I was honestly starting to wonder if Scriber even worked anymore because the last few times I've tried it, it's been saying 0. But it clearly caught this AI. Let's try another one. Content detector says this is likely AI with an 85% chance that this is AI content. So it has a lot of sentences here highlighted as being robotic. Now let's check out content at scale. Content at scale says reads as AI, which I'm not surprised because this is one of the more difficult AI content detectors to pass. And even though it has a few sentences highlighted in green as being written by a human, most of the sentences are highlighted in red as AI. So this does not pass as undetectable AI content, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but if you want undetected AI content, this didn't pass. It also has a keyword research tool that will allow you to find keyword ideas. Just enter in your domain and it'll give you a long list of keywords, the search volume, the trend, the difficulty, and the ability to add that keyword to a topic cluster. I thought these were some good looking keywords and this is some good information to have. You can click add and it'll add it to your topic cluster. Then you can go through these keywords and it'll write articles for those keyword clusters. So I thought this was a good feature. That's nice to be able to write topic clusters in bulk using AI, right from keyword research. I'm going to go ahead and get into the pros and cons of Byword and my overall opinion. Here's the pros. It writes decent articles with the input of just a keyword. The articles have good information and do a good job of covering the topic. It also generates images for the article. The featured image looked pretty good and matched my articles, and it says I can generate up to 4 images per article. It has a bulk generation feature to quickly fill out a new website with content and also integrates with popular CMS platforms for easy publishing. Here's the cons. The articles aren't written from outlines that could be customized before writing the article. The content is easily detected as AI content by every detector I tested. The keyword research tool contains some inaccuracies. Some keywords it said would be easy to rank for are actually pretty generic keywords that would be very difficult to rank. Overall, Byword is a good AI content writer for creating decent articles with good information about your keyword. Click the link in the description to write a few articles for free using Byword. Check out this playlist for some of my favorite AI content writers.